Hello respected viewers, welcome once again. Viewers, look at the question. With the same center, two circles are drawn. So circles are concentric circles and this is ring. And the diameter of the bigger circle intersect mutually at right angle. The diagonals are perpendicular. And radius of this smaller circle is given here R1 and the bigger circle's radius is R2. We have to find the ratio between the two radii. We have a quadrilateral AFEC and we are given that the ratio between the ring and the quadrilateral is 3:2. And after that we have to find the ratio between the radii, smaller radii to the bigger radii. We can use here pi as 22/7 and as we know that area of the ring is equal to bigger area minus a smaller area, so pi R2 square minus pi R1 square. So area of ring is equal to pi R2 square minus pi R1 square, that is equal to pi R2 square minus R1 square, which is R2 minus R1 and R2 plus R1. Now to get the area of this quadrilateral, since the diagonals of the quadrilateral are mutually perpendicular, if we take this AE as base, which is common base for this triangle and for this triangle also. So for this triangle AEC, half into base into height, and base is equal to OA plus OE, where here OA is this R2 and OE is R1 and OC height is big radius, that is R2. So for quadrilaterals area, sum of the two triangles area will give us half into AE into OC plus OF, and OC is R2, OF is R1. So therefore area of quadrilateral AFEC is equal to half this AE, half into product of diagonals because diagonals are perpendicular. AE is equal to AO plus OE, which is R2 plus R1, R1 plus R2, into this height, product of diagonals means CF. CF is also R1 plus R2, so R1 plus R2 into R1 plus R2, that is R1 plus R2 the whole square. Now from the information, area of ring upon area of this quadrilateral AFEC, that is equal to pi R2 minus R1 over area of this half R1 plus R2 and R1 plus R2 once again, that is whole square. These two will get cancelled and that is equal to 3/2, which is equal to this 2 and this 2, 4 pi R2 minus R1 is equal to 3 R1 plus 3 R2. Taking this pi as 22/7, so 22 into 4, 88, and 7 is multiplied here, so 88 R2 minus 88 R1 is equal to 7 3s are 21 R1 which after simplification becomes 88 R2 minus 21 R2, that is 8 minus 1 is 7, 67 R2, that is equal to 21 and 88 will be added, 109 R1, which gives R1 by R2 is equal to 67 by 109, and this is the answer, 67 over 109.